Hi guys, this is another just little impromptu short video. So I came in. I should have been gone to bed a long time ago. As you see, it's 12:19. I have been trying to get this gun set up for a long time. So this is my Kral Puncher Mega. The scope finally came in. Came with its own rings. It's a Pinty 6 by 24 by 50.
I shot it in.
Yes.
So I load it. Because it's pulled back.
What pull back?
This is. Now push it forwards.
No, not yet, because you're not ready to shoot it, so you could just leave it like that.
Then the thing will fall out. Oh, never mind.
It's got a magnet, it ain't going nowhere. So, this is, like I say, my Kral Puncher Mega. That's my son's Diana Storm Rider. His is 177. He's had it for almost a year. He got it for his birthday last year. This one I got for Christmas. And it's a 25 caliber. That's 177. So in my earlier video, when I said I had two 25s, I was wrong. I have 3, but I still have just 11 guns. I don't count my son's as mine. He has 2 guns, 2 rifles. You got 3 rifles?
No,
You do have 3 rifles. You have one at your mama's house.
I haven't shot that in a long time because I don't have bullets for it anyway. And I have that little toy pistol thing.
Does it shoot BBs?
You shoot the little like glow in the dark things and stuff, like plastic BBs. It's the thing that you said that'll just give somebody.
What about the BB pistol I gave you?
That's what I'm talking about. I think it's BB pistol. Huh.
So anyway,
I'm gonna get my 2 of them again.
the reason I started making this is not because I was putting the gun together. It's because the joy. I mean, with that clock like that, man, I wouldn't put this gun together. I'd go to bed. But he saw me looking at the gun. He went and got his gun while I was putting that on. Wanted to get the bipod on. And he quietly came in here with his gun and started working on his gun.
See, I got the toy pistol thing.
And yeah, but you got a pellet gun somewhere. That pistol right there is an airsoft. You got a pellet pistol somewhere. The one that shoots with the CO2 cartridge.
Oh, that's at Mama's house.
So that's a pneumatic. He doesn't really like the scope on that, and I don't blame him. That's just a generic Tasco. Anyway, back to this gun and its pleasure, because the interest, guys, they see you doing it, they want to do it. They want to be like you. Oh, and by the way, that junk, see all of that? See them pellets and stuff up there? That's all going away to private storage. All of it. Now, I'm not going to tell you that's all pellet because you can see out there I have a bow and a crossbow. Some of that, some of my extra strings and stuff are in that, but not enough to even warrant its whole drawer, maybe a couple of trays. Most of that is pellet gun stuff. Pellet gun stuff. Okay, so I'm getting ready to do this to get it set up. He has left, so it's on me now. So I'm not gonna let you watch me get the scope set, what I planned on doing. So I will get the scope set, and then I'm gonna go get the her arms, put them both on the floor, give you guys a little walk around, and let you see a mid-level beauty compared to a high-end beauty. There's a lot of money in between those two. And then maybe you could tell me what you think in the comments. So let me go ahead and pause this. All right, she's put together. My Kral Puncher Mega. I keep wanting to say Pro for some reason, but my Kral Puncher Mega. I was gonna be playing some music. Be all for Rocky. Gonna fly now. Gonna fly now. I want to know how to make those etchings dark, but the rest of the gun stay its color. Give Pinty some love. Don't have the magazine in. Yeah. Remember I told you I thought that looked every bit as good as that. Sorry, and I don't edit out, so I dropped the phone. You get to see it. All right. Kenneth, what kind of scope is that? You said you use Pinty. Yeah. I also told you guys I have 2 higher end scopes. So this is a Hawk. She is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. She will get a different bipod. She's just kind of picky on the smaller ones, like on the Kral. I had one of those and she kept kicking it off. I think she did it on purpose every time. Maybe she was just telling me she wanted hooker heels. All right. All right. Now let's fly around them. It's either one of you or either one of them appeal more to you. If so, why? Remember, both of these are in 25. So sooner or later, you're gonna see them shoot against each other. And the other 25. Let's get this lady in the picture too. After all, she is a 25. She is the only one with synthetic. This one is a wood. There's your synthetic stock. Bullboss. Pinty scope. Told you guys, I'm Pinty. Team Pinty. Laminate. Let's come back to her. The battle of the 25s will be soon. The Bullboss is the only bullpup in this battle. But they're all set up similar. They all fit well in my shoulder. Alright. Just something quick because my son came in here and thought you guys might get a kick out of it. See you later, Facebook. Keep shooting. Stay safe.